In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix packet loss on PS5 for beginners. This is going to be the full guide on how to fix lag spikes, rubber banding on your network connection. Intro. Now, packet loss can cause lag spikes, rubber banding, and connection issues while playing. What you need to do is start on the home screen and go up to your settings. Once you're on your settings, go to network, open it up, and then you need to select settings on here and hit setup internet connection. Make sure connect to internet is turned on, but select this, and once you're on here you need to find your network, and I'm using wireline right now, but it'll work the same on Wi-Fi. Select the options button, and then from here what you need to do is select advanced settings. If possible, use a LAN cable like I'm doing right now. It'll show you all this stuff that looks like this. But the first thing you need to do is go to your MTU settings. This is usually by default on 1500, which works well with strong internet. But you're going to want to put this on manual and then change it to 1450 and test it in game. You can also try 1473 if you're dealing with ping or latency issues. Test both numbers and keep whatever one works better. If your connection's already fine, leave it on 1500 or just put it on automatic. Either of those two work. Now go back to your network again, press the options again, and once again go into advanced settings, and this time you need to go to your DNS settings. Select this right here, put it on manual, and you're going to want to change your DNS to 0.8, and then for the secondary do 0.8.4. This is Google's DNS settings and it'll help you out. On top of that, what you need to do is also go to the main settings page again, hit options, and this time select Wi-Fi frequency bands and put it on 5 gigahertz if your PS5 is close to the router, or 2.4 gigahertz if your router is further away. If you're not sure, just leave it on automatic. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.